Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan. I am your Arabic teacher, and in this video, we are going to learn a few sounds with their vocabulary. So let's get started. The first letter is Alif. Alif sound is A. 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 Al-nab. What do you call rabbit in Arabic? Al-nab. The next one is Ba. Ba sound is B. B. Bait. Bait is home in English. Very nice. The next one is Ta. Ta sound is T. T. Tufaha. T. T. Tufaha. The next one is Th. Th. Thelj. To pronounce the correctly, you need to put your tongue between your teeth. The. And what is thelj? Thelj is snow. Excellent job. Shukran jazilan. See you in the next video. Ma'as salama.